What's up mga kabit? Kamusta kayo guys? Nako, eto, kung naaalala niyo yung CDFI, no, yung launchpad yan CDFI.fund. Ito yung launchpad na, kumbaga, ikaw yung nauuna sa mga games. So, meron tayong chance na makapag-participate dun sa mga IGO nila or initial game offering, no. Bago pa siya maging game, bago pa malaro, o bago pa maging app, pwede ka mag-participate and you can earn. But again, do your own research and never trade money you can't afford to lose. Huwag mag-invest ng pera na hindi mo kaya mawala. But again, ano ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon? Isa sa mga upcoming pools nila guys, etong Acknowledger kung tawagin. And ito, pwede na sa launchpad, no? Malo-launch na IGO in 2 days. So, Acknowledger is a global platform that maps, monetize, and distributes Web 3.0 digital assets seamlessly across all the metaverse and gaming NFTs. So guys, kung kayo ay familiar, no, di ba? Tayo dumaan sa Web 1.1, Web 2, ngayon nasa Web 3, going na tayo dun sa digital world. So kailangan tayo ay aware, no? Kaya madami kumikita ngayon sa crypto world because tayo ay open-minded at talagang pinag-aaralan natin ang area or technology ng blockchain community or blockchain world. So ayan guys, silipin natin ano ba tong Acknowledger na to. By the way, marami dyan sa launchpad ng CDFI, no, na iba-ibang games. So ayan, nakikita nyo may mga Gaia Everworld, Spintop, and kung ano-ano pa, Hero Arena. Marami guys, sobrang dami. Ito yung mga kinontent natin before. Like yung Blacktopia and Continuum World, marami nakapag-participate and kumita dyan guys, no? Ang dami. Ayan. Pero sa ngayon, ang focus natin ay si Acknowledger. So let us click this Acknowledger and you can see guys na ayan, pwede tayo mag-participate dito in 2 days time. Okay? So ito guys, no, after 2 days makikita nyo dito na in 2 days, 10 hours and 53 minutes, you can participate na and you can put your BUSD dito sa kanilang platform. And of course, you will earn a reward or a percentage kapag ka nag-up na yung game. So ayan, ito yung binasa natin kanina, no? Yung about the project, which is ito nga, global platform nga ito, si Acknowledger. Now, if you wanna know more about Acknowledger, guys, I will put the link on the description para mabasa nyo itong medium na to. If you can see, Acknowledger Gateway 3.0 Metaverse and Gaming NFT. So, ano ba yan? Let us read. Today, we are thrilled to share more information about Acknowledger and its upcoming IGO or initial game offering, which will be hosted on the CDFI Launchpad on October 27. That's 2 days from now. Especially kung nanonood kayo ngayon guys, I will upload this today, no, after editing. Now, NFTs, surging market over the past years. The exploding non-fungible token or NFT guys market has made inroads in everyday society and is aiding the adoption of blockchain assets in the mainstream markets. So ayan, ayun yung sa NFT guys. And that is why guys na nakalagay dito na yung possibility sa future applications for NFTs are endless. Talaga naman, no, endless talaga ang technology ng NFT. And habang guys na nag-grow nga itong NFT na to, nakalagay dyan, no, talagang nag-grow naman talaga yung play to earn, no. And hindi lang yon, nag-i-increase yung opportunity sa gamers, sa collectors, sa investors, no, to take advantage of. Although there are many opportunities available, the space is not without a few glaring issues. Ngayon, ano ba yung mga yan? To, like ito, current NFT ecosystem issues. Yan yung isa sa mga issue ng NFT. Ano ba yan? The lack of discovery tools and solutions available on current platforms lead to complexities for buyers when assessing and trying to make informed decisions on which NFT assets to acquire. So, hindi natin alam ngayon kung ano yung i-acquire. So, marami kasi yan guys, no? Katulad nun yun nga, yung process of claiming and providing the ownership of digital content like text, guys. Audio, ayan, video and images is complex. Medyo may challenge o mahirap, no? So, this leads to the plagiarism of digital assets which harms both users, buyers, and rightful owners. So, nagkakaroon ng issue ng problema and yun, yung plagiarism, guys, no? So, dalawa maapektuhan yun. Ulitin ko, the users and yun nga, tayo. Users and buyers and rightful owners. Now, just to give you an idea, guys, kung ano ba tong Acknowledger na to, ito, makikita natin dito, no? So, they envision to be the nervous system of Web 3.0 digital assets. Now, look at this, guys, no? Pero sila dyan, mapping assets, indexing all NFTs across all the gaming metaverse metaverse. So ito, maganda to. Pangalawa, monetizing. Monetizing helping existing Web 2.0 and 3.0 content platforms to monetize their contents as NFT through our APIs and channels. And of course, isa sa mga importante yung distribution, no? Distribution, marketing and distributing the content across multiple metaverse by tracking, mapping, interoperability, and explore trading opportunities for institutional and retail investors. Now, the question is, guys, what is the solution? Now, Acknowledger provides a solution by, ito na nga, the solution is its universal content numbering scheme on UCNS, which is the world's first decentralized nomenclature system that will be adopted and used as a universal standard. So, what is USNS? Now, USNS will be used to create an ecosystem to map and validate the authenticity of NFTs across the digital universe. You can read this, guys, no? Lahat ng gusto nyo mabasa, andi dito lahat sa Medium na to. Hindi na natin lahat itatakil to kasi sobrang haba. Pero ang point lang nito, you can participate bago pa mag-launch itong Acknowledger. Binigyan ko lang kayo ng idea about this Acknowledger, and if you will look nyo sa tokenomics nila, guys, ayan, ang kanilang coin ay ACK under ERC20 network. Okay, at total supply nila yan, 117 million. Initial cap, 557. Listing price nila, guys, pagka-list ay $0.10. IGO date, October 27. Allocation is 200k, including success fees na yon. IGO price, again, 0.10. Vesting is 33%. And if you wanna know more, you can visit their website, guys. Ito, you can click this and visit their website and join ito mga social media accounts nila if you want. And if you want to buy yung IGO, just click here in this button here, guys. Pwede. Click nyo lang yan or sa cdfi.fund. And again, if you want to participate, guys, you have to lock your S1 token do sa kanila staking or do sa pool, no, para kayo ay makapag-participate. So, yung S1 mo or your LP token mo, guys, is yun nga, i-stake mo doon sa farming pool nila. And yan, pwede nyo basahin to, guys, itong Medium na to. I will put the link in the description. So, ayan o, nakalagay yun. Participate in IGOs. S1 holders will need to lock their S1 tokens in the staking pool or their LP tokens in the farming pool unless they're farming on ApeSwap. So, ayan, guys, pwede nyo siyang basahin dyan. Pwede nyo basahin dyan, pati mga APY nila, andito na lahat sa Medium na to. Okay, so yun lang muna. I hope meron kayong bago natutunan, guys. Kung nagustuhan mo to, yung update ko sa'yo, please hit the like button, guys, no? And thank you so much for subscribing. Don't forget, guys, to hit the notification bell para every time na may update ako, guys, updated ka palagi kung about sa crypto yan. Whether games, trading, cryptocurrency, at kung ano-ano pa. Yun lang muna. Salamat and God bless you.